What's up, art fans? My name's Jesse and I'm an artist out of Phoenix, Arizona, and today we are at Wrightson Ridge in Sahuarita, which is a small township just outside of Tucson, and we are working on my largest project ever. We're going to be painting over 5,000 square feet of sidewalks. They are going to be big, bright, bold, beautiful, and although they're all going to be different, there is one overarching theme, and that is community. So we've got a lot of work to do, not a lot of time to make it happen. So what are we waiting for? Let's get started. All right, so we've got the water path all painted. Now we are going to get the debris cleared off. We're going to get the appropriate sections mopped. And then we're going to go through and add our sealant. Call this one done. So what are we waiting for? Let's go. Javelinas came by, paid me a visit, got into my paint, and decided to spill my blue. And how I can tell it's Javelina is by their little blue prints all over the place. So, luckily, this stuff should clean up pretty easily. And yeah, the city's gonna come out with a pressure washer, so fingers crossed. Alright, so the city came and just power washed that area where the javelinas came and spilled the paint, and it came right up. Looks great. Awesome. Okay, so we've got all the color down on the Be Yourself section of the mural. I think it's looking great, but this is part of the danger zone area because there's a few more sprinklers that go off in this area, leaving the sidewalk a little wetter for a little bit longer than the rest of the park. So in order to combat that, I've got this Shark Grip additive. One of these is good for an entire gallon of paint. I've never used it before, but I'm really excited. It's gonna help with that slip resistance. So I'm gonna mix it in with the black. We're gonna put it down on the entire letter section, which is the middle section of that walkway, and it should do the trick. But I'm really excited to try something new, so let's make it happen. It is windy and cold, and half of my chalk outline got wiped out by the sprinkler, but we were able to get down, so time to paint. This little guy's been hanging out with me every day. He's cool. Hey, buddy. Alright you guys, that is the end. We are all finished up with Sahuarita here at Wrightson Ridge Park. It was an amazing project. It was absolutely massive. There's 11 sections of sidewalk, over 5,000 square feet of concrete that we worked with. There was rain, there was wind, there was an overnight freeze. We got to go through it all, but it was an absolutely amazing experience. We got to learn a lot about some new products. I couldn't be happier with the color top concrete stain and the vibrancy that it gave us. And the community has had nothing but positive things to say as they've rolled through here, so super grateful for all of that. Had so much fun and got to learn a lot, and thank you so much for checking out this video. If you liked it, hit that like and subscribe button because, you know, I'm trying to grow the channel. If you want to see what I'm up to, you can scope out my work at Mr. Downtown Phoenix for more cool content always on the way. And if you want to see what murals I've done in the past, maybe scope out some merch or inquire about a piece yourself, you can check me out online at shinethruart.com. That's shinethruart.com. But as always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you at the next project.